Probably the problem of many of the parents with their children is their malnutrition, especially not eating fruit and snacks. I will tell you what to do. Number 1. Do not force your children to eat at all, but encourage them to cooperate with you in preparing food. Number 2. Use attractive shapes, dishes, and decorations to increase their desire and appetite to eat. Number 3. Ask them which fruit they like the most, then search and show a series of interesting pictures of decorating that fruit, and decorate like that picture. Today we want to start a very simple decoration so that you will realize that you can encourage your children to eat healthy foods with a very basic tools and a little creativity.